in the front lot. One of the things that we have that makes us a city, we have our very own fire station. That's Fire Station 51 to the right side of the tram. Make some noise! Woo! Fire Station 51, looking so pretty in our universal city. Other things that we have that make us a city, my friends, we have our own postal code. And one of the most city things that we have that makes us a city, we have many Starbucks! Yes, we have arrived in our city. Congratulations, Universal Studios. Now we're here in the front lot. We'll take you to the back lot, the second half of the tour. On the left side of the tram, you'll see the very first sound stage built for Universal Studios in the year 1928 for the 1929 musical Broadway. I'm here to tell you more about the sound stages in the front lot are the stars of Bel Air, Jabari Banks and Mr. Ollie Showdown.
Also, what is you put egg on the cheese?
Welcome, bienvenidos to London Street, London Square. This street was featured on the Fast and the Furious Presents Hobbs and Shaw, as well as the Mindy Project starring Mindy Kaling, as well as the final season of Will and Grace starring Megan Mullally and Deborah Messing.
Anastasia, just an ordinary tourist. What part? Mission. Soda. Concert. Oh, but the fun occasions.
Now, as you look around you, you'll see these buildings, but these buildings are basically just facades. Just the fronts and sides of a building. The only built with a camera will see, and you as the audience fill in the rest with your imagination. But if you were to walk into any of those buildings, you would basically go, oh cool, walls, because it's basically a shell. Now we've flown you across the pond from London to the Big Apple. Welcome to New York Street. And who better to tell you about New York Street than a New Yorker himself, Mr. Jimmy Fallon.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York. I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. Once got mugged over there by an old woman, tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. Hey, I'm walking here. Yeah, it's cool guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Even if you make it here on the Universal lot.
And we're very lucky we're able to take you on to New York Street today, because if you came to visit us about, I would say the beginning of the year, this whole street would have been closed off to you, and that's because they were filming American Ninja Warrior right here on New York Street. They set up that obstacle course all up and down New York Street, and then they hung lighting instruments from these 50-foot facades. Yes, these are basically facades to the left and right side of the tram. Then they would start filming at midnight every night and then wrap at 6 in the morning. So not only did those ninjas have to get through those obstacle courses, they had to do it during the very early hours of the day. This is also the filming home for the newest Quantum Leap, and this has also been the filming home for...
I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep you up this adventure. Con literally does it. I mean, you're on board a ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're encountering monsters and creatures from prehistoric times. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island, and it's great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, just have them in your hand because we're about to return to Skull Island.
What a wonderful ambiance. Now speaking of Quantum Leap, if you're looking over to the left side of the tram, you're seeing that train on that bridge. That was actually used in the original Quantum Leap that starred Scott Bakula. Now before we enter Skull Island, a couple of reminders. Please remain seated, holding on to your belongings. It gets very, very bumpy on Skull Island. There are no concrete roads, only jungle. So please hold on to your valuables, anything that you may have bought at the store. And please turn off all of the flash on your cell phones and cameras. I repeat, no flash photography, no
We established the feature film, and this is another day, another incident on Skull Island, the beaches and the stuff as it
Now, whenever you're filming on a project, your cast will be cast in numerical order. So number 1 on our list is the King Kong, that is. Here to tell you more about your number 1 top of your roster cast member is director Peter Jackson.
really put a lot of thought into the character and personality of Kong, and he's so much more than a monster. In fact, he's not a monster, even though he is an incredibly majestic, ancient creature. He's a force of nature. He's small, he's wise, he's proud, he's fierce, and obviously he has a heart. The most important feature with Kong are his eyes. Kong's eyes are wonderfully expressive. They're full of emotion. His eyes are like a window to his personality. His head.
Film made of fiberglass and steel. And if you're a fan of Harry Potter, give me a big old cheer! And say hello to the light blue Ford Anglia from the Weasley family. They were kind enough to lend us their car for our collection. That's because we asked for permission. Unlike Ron. For my Jordan Peele fans, one of our newest additions is the Fry's Tech Team van from his newest movie, Nope. And this last tank-looking vehicle is actually a Bradley fighting vehicle from the Transformers film. I know it looks very scary, very intimidating, but that tank is not made out of metal or steel. It's made out of plywood. What? Making it more lightweight and more easily replaceable. And I guess that mobile lab is specifically from The Lost World, starring Julianne Moore and Vince Vaughn. Much like our Bradley fighting vehicle, that mobile lab is also made out of plywood. That's what they're not made out of plywood. Are the dinosaurs here in Jurassic Park? I got really excited. Right here coming out in the film, so if you see a dinosaur that wants to give you a kiss, now you can see that movie of that shot. That's computer-generated imaging of that mobile lab. This person is a very important person. That is someone called us. Now the photo you're hearing is coming from speakers and around the sun. The lighting you're seeing that's coming from strobobes placed on top of these buildings makes it by a very talented technician. You have the thunder, the lightning, you need the rain, of course. Now the rain is coming from sprinklers shooting that water straight up into the air. I know, it's so fancy. And it's using gravity to bring that water back down to the earth. That's a little thing I like to call science. You're welcome. Now you can speed up the speed of the velocity of that water for a more intense and scary scene. Or you can soften and slow it down for a more romantic scene where you bury the three of these components together. The thunder from the speakers, the lightning from the strobe effects, and the rain from the sprinklers. You just created a perfect setting for a flash flood. Location for Quentin Tarantino's ninth film, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Brad Pitt. Now there's only one thing to the set here in 6 Points, that's the Opera House. You can see it over to the left side of the tram. Anytime you can film both interior shots as well as exterior shots on a location, that makes that set practical. But the majority of the buildings here in 6 Points are just facades, just the fronts and sides of a building. Now we're currently at our halfway mark. I want to remind everyone to please remain seated, holding on to your belongings. If you have an emergency, pull that red cord to get my attention. I'll be back to assist you. But do remain seated on the tram. Remain seated on the tram. Now, as we exit 6 Points, we'll make a right turn onto Jimmy Stewart Avenue. Every street here at Universal Studios is named after a film. We're going to dip our toes into that no longer show. There's a shark in the water. There's a shark in the water. Do you see the shark in the water? Oh no. George, if you have water, maybe someone's got more shark in the water. Do you see my friend George? George! Take me to George! George! George, please! Oh no, maybe he's okay. Maybe he's just playing with that shark. Oh no, that's right. Oh, George! Should have been so curious. Why would she say that? Now, Patrick is a total asset. He texted me a note of advice. If Regina, if you're ever in trouble, hide behind the gasoline tanks. And as we all know, it's just science. You will never see that charcoal cloud. car in the background, that belongs to a Miss Marion Crane. And speaking of Marion Crane, just as Marion Crane took off the highway in her 1957 Ford sedan picture suddenly on our tram picture taking you to one of the scariest. What a nightmare. And taking us from one nightmare into another. This is over 100 tons of debris you're looking at. And that is an actual 747 that was shipped here from the Mojave Desert and disassembled out here. Welcome to the set of Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds starring Tom Cruise.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Steve. You forget when you sit down and talk about the War of the World, that thought, what if the 747 goes down right in the neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Listen, sit out your close your eyes, okay? Stand close. Robbie, get in.
I don't think he heard you, Tommy. Say it again.
Get in.
That's right, Robbie. Get in the car when Tom Cruise does it again. God.
Into life. This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky G. Park. Over there, look into the waking room and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Share. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? What? Further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, old rush frontier town lies a Simpson secret. It is smack dab in the center of New York Oxford. What's a bad miracle? Welcome to the world of the Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, are the men in charge. The hell you are? Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high value witness from the Federal Protection Program for your case. Two, international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is holding in on his neighborhood to take that witness out. He's also ruthless as the gun. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Now,
after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Them?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Sean. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sean traced us. Cops can't hold forever. Letty, Roman, we're out. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's that time, my friends.
It's about to get real interesting.
Because we need to be cognizant. And
Mona
don't
Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.